Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Apollo.io step by step, even if you are a complete beginner, whatever, whether you are in sales marketings, sales, whether you are in sales, marketing, or just looking to generate leads for your business. Apollo.io is a powerful platform that can make your life a whole lot easier. Let's get into it. Apollo is an all-in-one sales intelligence platform. It helps you find business leads, get verified emails, and even automate your outreach. Think of it as your one-stop shop for prospecting, used by startups, sales teams, and marketers worldwide. To get started, head over to apollo.io and create your free account. You can sign up with Google or email. So select your email or sign up with your Google account. Before that, click on checkmark box and click sign up. Then choose your Google account and continue. Now set up your account. What best describes you? Sales leader. I'm just exploring Apollo. Library. Got it. Once you are in, you will land on the Apollo dashboard. From here, you will see a clean layout with options like search, contacts, accounts, and engage. Now let's search for leads. Click on the search tab and choose between people or companies. You can try filter job title like marketing manager, CTO, industry, company size, location, technology used, and even funding status. Once your filters are set, Apollo will show a list of matching contacts. You will see their name, title, company, email, and LinkedIn link. Super helpful for cold outreach. Click on any contact to see their full profile. It includes their work history, social profiles, company details, and verified email address. If the email is verified, you can immediately save it to a list or export to your CRM or CSV file. This is gold if you are building prospect lists. To stay organized, click Save to List. Then Add List. On the right hand side, you can create a new list like SaaS Founders USA. Or marketing leads Q2. Whatever makes sense for your strategy. One, one of Apollo's best features is email sequence. Click on Engage tab to create automated outreach campaigns. Choose your list, create an email template, allow follow-ups with delays, personalized with variables like first name or company. Set your sending schedule. You can track opens, clicks, and replies and tweak your messaging based on what works. Apollo.io integrates with CRMs like HubSpot, Spot, and tools like Zapier and Slack. This helps you automate workflows and sync data across platforms. Example, if a lead replies, you can auto tag them in your CRM or notify your sales team in Slack. And that's it. With the free plan, you get limited credits per month to view verified emails and run outreach, which is more than enough for beginners. But if you need more, their paid plans offer higher limits and advanced features like intent data and AI scrolling. And that's how you use Apollo.io in 2025, whether you are just starting out or scaling your sales pipeline. It's a seriously powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want a part 2 with advanced tips. Thanks for watching.